Hello and welcome to the biggest taste hunt of Tulunadu. Nammoorudu inimutta tu andina ಈತನೇಟ ಕೇನಂದಿನ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಶೋ ನಿಖಲದುಂಬು. Cooking is an art, but everyone cannot be a chef. Anda ಪ್ರತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಡ್ಲ ಶೆಫ್ ಉಪ್ಪೇರಿ ಅವು ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಪಪ್ಪ ಮೆಗ್ದಿ ಏರ್ಲಾದು. If you are passionate about cooking, if you desire to become a chef, here is the greatest opportunity for you all. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for all the chefs to travel all around from your home kitchen directly into your masterclass kitchen. This is Masterclass presents Chef of the Year 2020, sponsored by Apple Mart, powered by Sun Premium Refined Sunflower Oil, and Indian Design School, Mangalore, in association with NAMMA TV. Register now by calling 9148-272-365. You can also visit us at www.masterclass.com and Instagram page at Masterclass Mangalore. And you can win the chance to grab your prize money worth of 1 lakh rupees. And also many more exciting surprises. Be an extraordinary and grab the opportunity to win the title of Masterclass Chef of the Year 2020 Mangalore.